The Xfinity app access not authorized error means your Xfinity app can't verify your account permissions. This often happens on devices like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and mobile devices. The root cause is usually a failure in linking your Xfinity account to the app due to expired tokens, mismatched account types, device limits, or outdated app versions. To resolve this, first, sign out of the app and relink your account in the settings. This refreshes authentication tokens. Also, ensure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Finally, verify your Xfinity account details are correct on the Xfinity website and use the primary account if managing sub-accounts. If relinking and updating don't work, check your internet connection and disable any VPNs, as they can interfere with regional access. Ensure the app has the necessary permissions, such as location access for regional content. Advanced steps include resetting app data or reinstalling the app. For Xfinity Flex, try unlinking and relinking the device via the Xfinity website. To prevent future issues, maintain regular app updates, audit your linked devices, and ensure your Comcast account is in good standing with no outstanding bills. For multi-device setups, be aware of potential permission conflicts.